Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Rabia and welcome back to my channel Daily Tech. So in this channel I will discuss about all the terms that are related to biotechnology and in agricultural advancement, what type of biotechnology and what are the uses and benefits of biotechnology in agricultural department. So I have discussed many points in the previous videos. So for today's video my topic is pros and cons of agricultural biotechnology. This is the main topic for today's video. But first of all, I am going to discuss about that. What are the different types of agricultural biotechnology? So, agricultural biotechnology includes a wide range of different techniques that are used to improve crops and animals. This can include anything from traditional methods like breeding and or selection to more modern techniques like genetic engineering and gene editing. There are many different reasons why farmers might use agricultural biotechnology. For example, they might want to improve the yield of their crops or make them more resistant to pests and diseases. They might also want to create new varieties of plants and animals that have desirable traits, such as being able to thrive in a particular environment or producing more milk or meat. Agricultural biotechnology is not without critics. However, some people argue that it is unsafe and that we do not yet understand enough about the long term effects of genetically modifying organisms. Others worry about the environmental impact of releasing genetically modified organisms into the wild. At present, there is a lot of debate about the use of agricultural biotechnology. However, it is clear that this is an area of science that is continuing to evolve and grow, and which has the potential to bring significant benefits to both farmers and consumers alike. So, come to the main point, that is pros and cons of agriculture biotechnology. So, agriculture biotechnology is the application of scientific and engineering principle to the processing of materials by biological agents to provide goods and services. The pros are can help to increase crop yields, reduce the need for pesticides, make crops more resistant to disease and pests, help to conserve water. The cons are may have negative effects on the environment, may impact human health, may create new strains of disease, emphasize on monocultures. So, here is what foods are produced using agricultural biotechnology. Foods produced using agricultural biotechnology are typically crops that have been genetically modified to resist pests or herbicides or to produce their own pesticides. One of the most common GM crops is corn, which has been engineered to resist the herbicide glyphosate. Other GM crops include soybean, cotton, and canola. There are pros and cons to producing food using agricultural biotechnology. Supporters of GM crops argue that they help farmers be more efficient and productive by reducing the need for pesticides and herbicides. They also claim that GM crops can be more resilient to climate change. Critics of GM crops say that they may pose risk to human health and the environment, and that they give large corporations too much control over our food supply. So, this was the topic, and here is an article which is saying we understand how annoying the ads can be. However, to sustain the increasing maintenance cost for infrastructure, we have to rely on ads income. You can consider donating a few bucks to AgriHunt so we can keep bringing you all the latest and useful agriculture information. So here are some of the categories as well, and categories are agri-engineering, agri-news, agriculture extensions, articles, basics of agriculture, breeding and genetics, crop diseases, e-library, fertilizer industry, food industry, health and nutrition, horticulture industry, and Human development studies, livestock industry, major crops, multipedia gallery, park agri outlook, and pesticide industry, recent researchers, scholarship jobs, seed industry, soil science, uncategorized Urdu Tahari. So all these categories are from this article and this website. Hope you are liking the video and want to get more content. Subscribe to my channel Daily Tech and stay tuned.